Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we shall be designing this happy birthday flyer for Mrs. Osenega Michael Ropo. So before we start the design, I would like to show you something very interesting. I found this very helpful and I know that it's going to be helpful too for you. I have 200 plus, more than 200 Puma mobile applications. Where you can gain lifetime access of the pro versions. That is the pro version of KineMaster, pro version of Benimi, pro version of Pixellab, pro version of Power Director, pro version of Excel Coder, pro version of Viva Byte, pro version of InShot, pro version of Intro and Outro Maker, pro version of Adobe Lightroom, pro version of Photoshop Express, pro version of Log Maker, pro version of WPS, pro version of Netflix, WhatsApp Auto-Respond, Truecaller Pro, Canva Pro, WhatsApp Spy Pro, Mojo Pro, TuneMe Pro, Canva Pro, Truecaller Pro, Voice Changer Pro, Football TV Pro, Background Remover Pro, Snap 2 Pro. In fact, there are just a lot of them. And the benefits here, the bonuses here is that you have access to 330 plus more short digital video courses. Also, you have a digital marketing course. You have 60 plus ebooks worth 100k, a graphic design course, a 5,000 plus design resource, a smartphone video editing course, a web design A to Z course, a smartphone money making. In fact, see, the offer is just much. It's just many. And looking at the price here, it is 10,000 francs. That's the normal price. But here, within 24 hours, we are giving it for 1k. 1,000 francs. 1,000. So you better make rush now and purchase this app, because after 24 hours, the price will go back to 10,000 francs. And also here, we have all-in-one movie app. We have an all-in-one movie app. So no subscription is needed, no sign-up required. Works on iPhone, works on Android, lifetime access. So we are giving it for 40,000 francs, but within 24 hours, the price is 2,000. Maybe you want to know a lot more about this. You see that no more payment for Netflix, Apple TV, and the rest of them. With the all-in-one movie app, you will be able to watch all the movies from all these popular networks without paying a dime for it for lifetime. Below are the best features of the app. No money subscription needed. You can watch unlimited movies, ability to search for movies you love and watch in the app, access to unreleased or latest release movies, can be casted to smart TVs, lifetime access, works on Android and iPhone. You have to know that you can't find this app anywhere else. If you miss this opportunity, 2,000 francs now. Just make the payment now and you will get access to this. So thank you very much. Now let's dive into our design. So as I earlier said, we'll be doing this design. So let me just delete this text. So the design size here is 100 by 1280, 1000 by 1280. So I will import now the background. So you can get this on Pinterest. So there's a video I made how to download videos from Pinterest. You can get this from there. And also there's a link in the description of this video. You can click on this link so that I send you the resources. Okay, so I'll just enlarge to take the entire portion of the screen. Make sure that it is well centralized. Okay, so the next thing I have to bring is the image. When practicing, you can use any image of your choice. Okay, bring this here. So what's left here is just to put in the necessary details. So I'll come here, type birthday. Okay. The font I'll be using here is Montserrat Bold, Montserrat Black. This font. Make sure that it is centralized. Okay, now for the color, I'll come to color. I'll choose a gradient color there. So I'll go to gradient color. I choose a default gradient color. Now I want to create a gradient color. What I will do is I'll click on this plus sign, this bar, the first bar. I will click on this color tool directly under. Then I'll click on the color picker tool. I'll come to this background. I pick this black color. Then I'll take this one. I'll click on this color tool. Click on my color picker tool. I can get to the background. I take this color. So we have two colors here. I'll click OK. So this is what we have here. I'll go now to stroke, enable stroke, make sure it is at 2. I'll take white color. Okay, so I'll just copy this. I'll come now to the color. I'll go back to that gradient color. This first one, right? I'll reduce it. This one, reduce this one. So at the end of the day, we have only the stroke here. So I'll come and reduce that stroke to 1. Okay, so place now on that. Okay, so what's left next? Let me just shift mama up a bit. So for this one, I'll send this one behind. Then this other one, I'll send it up a bit. The same with this. Okay, so I'll go and import an element. So this is what I'll be using. So now I'll go to color, change it to white. Okay, make sure it's very centralized. Then, let me just show you another thing. So this is an AI football TV streaming app. Here you can watch 14 plus football leagues. No sign up required, no password required, just download and install the app. You can cast it from your phone to your laptop and smart TV. So what they are saying here is that it's an AI football TV streaming app now available. Watch live football matches from your phone with AI football TV streaming app. Lifetime access, no sign up required, no password required. Works on your Android phone. It can be casted from your phone to your laptop or smart TV. Just download and install the app. To get this app, you need to pay the sum of 2,000 francs. Yeah, that's the price for the app. You need to pay the sum of 2,000 francs into that mobile money account. Yeah, if you are watching from Cameroon, you can pay into that account to access the app. But if you are watching from Nigeria, there is a seller link that is being prepared. You can pay through that seller link. Same with Ghana. So if you're interested, you can just let me know in the comment section. Then I'll prepare your payment link. Okay, next we have here AI art and animation course. In this course, you'll be able to learn how to create AI arts, how to animate AI arts, how to add music to your videos, automatically add captions to your videos. You learn how to generate content with AI, converting text to human voice. You learn where to download non-copyright music and plus video editing. So all these are given at the course. Anyone that you need to just let me know, then I'll prepare a payment link. Now let's go back to our course. Okay, so this is where we are now. So I'm going to upload now, bring in the verify icon. So this is a verify icon. I'll just reduce this. Okay, so here now I will write Mrs. Osanaga, and the color of this text will be the gradient color that we use, and the font type here will be this one, autograph personal. Okay, we'll just put here. So now I'll come to my shape tool here, choose a circular shape, make sure the color is our gradient color and reduce to a very small size. What's today's date? Today's date is June 6th, right? January 6th, sorry. So the same color. The font I'll be using here is Akira Expanded. Let me reduce the size. I want to make sure that this is at the center. So let me just centralize everything now. Okay, we are centralized. So what's left next is to put in an effect on this birthday. So I'll come to my shape tool. I'll go to shape. I choose this semicircle here. I come to my gradient tool. I choose this gradient. Okay, so I'll just place this. Come to opacity and make sure that I reduce the opacity a bit. 35. Okay, let's go this way. So you go to your shape. You produce a shape here. Okay, come to reduce, put the reduce at 5. Come to gradient, you choose this So you click on this now, so you bring this closer. Okay, should be like this. Yeah, so yeah, we'll put +1 today. Okay, so here you can put some wishes here. You can put quotes here. Put your name. Please, if you are watching and have not yet subscribed, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not subscribed. And if your like button is still showing white, it means you have not given a thumbs up to this video. So just click on that like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the share button so that many people can get access to it. So thank you very much. So we have just come out the layout of the design. So I'd like you to try this out and see how your own goes. Thanks for watching.